Welcome to our guide on styling Gravity Forms confirmation messages. Confirmation message is shown after successful submission of a form with Gravity Forms. One of the easiest way to style your Gravity Forms confirmation message is by using Gravity Booster plugin. Here's you can do it. Start by installing the Gravity Booster plugin from official WordPress repository. Once activated, navigate to Forms Booster in your WordPress dashboard. Choose the Gravity form you want to customize. The page will reload with all the Gravity Booster settings visible. Above the form preview, click on the Edit icon next to selected page label. From the drop-down, select the Confirmation Page option. This will load the confirmation message in preview screen. In the Settings sidebar, under Confirmation Message section, you will find various options to customize the confirmation messages. Set the width of the message container for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Align the text left, center, right, or justify within the container. Choose from options like italic, uppercase, or underline. Adjust the size of the text in different units for various devices. Control the spacing between lines of the text. Pick a color that ensures readability against the background. Customize the border width, color, and type for the message container. Set the background color to enhance readability. Adjust the space between the text and the container border using padding. All the changes are live previewed. Once you are satisfied with your customization, don't forget to click on the Save button at the top right corner. Remember, clear and well-designed confirmation messages contribute to a seamless user experience.